Okay, this is going to be a review of the Red Rock sling bag that I've had for a couple months now. I'm going to do a review on it real quick. It's actually a really nice bag compared to, and it's cheap. It's like $30 I picked this up for, compared to the Maxpedition, I think, which was around, I think it was around $100. But this pouch right here, I keep a little crank up flashlight, a lighter, some gloves. This is mostly medical stuff, some band-aids, anything I would need. This bottom bag pouch, keep a charger for my phone, a Leatherman, some stuff to write with, bits for a screwdriver, and a universal screwdriver, a little wrench, and a fire starter. I also keep a nice LED flashlight in here, and this is another one that I picked up, also a fire starter. And the inside of the bag, we got this pouch right here. I don't have anything in there currently, but it has a hidden one under it, decent sized pocket. On this side, I keep some paracord. In this pocket, usually keep a couple magazines, a spare holster. In the back has a holster here. This is a Glock 23, fits right in here, and you can button this right up. So, oh yeah, I also keep another crank LED right in here just for a backup. That's pretty much it. It's got plenty of hooks. You want to hook stuff on here. Keep my keys hooked on here. Got a couple clips. Oh yeah, also has a little pouch up front here too, which I just keep paperwork in, mostly. So this is the Red Rock bag. I'll zoom in on that again. Awesome bag, $30. This is the holster. If you got a holster with Velcro on it, this is lined with Velcro, so you could actually stick it to it. It's got plenty of MOLLE. That's pretty much it.